As a way, you can now run Windows NT 4.0 directly on your iPad and it doesn't require any jailbreak, just one app and a file. So let's get into it. First off, make sure you install the UTM SE app. It's just on the App Store. Then go into your browser and type UTM. And then click on the first link that pops up. Then go to Gallery and scroll all the way down until you see Windows XP. We're just going to need the settings and not the actual Windows XP VM. After you download it, go into your files and extract the zip and then click on Windows XP. Now we are going to change some settings. First go into System and choose the processor Pentium. Then, under Input, select USB support and deactivate it. Under Display, choose the Cirrus VGA display. Under Sound, choose the Creative Sound Blaster. Then delete the top drive. Now click the plus button in the top left. Click New Drive. Now click on GIB and then it will switch to MIB. Now type 2048 and click Done. Now click the top drive and then select the ISO from Command Crafter in the comments. Then save the configuration. Now click Run. Now it will boot into the setup, but this will take a while. If you are in the setup, press Enter, then Enter again, then press C, then press Page Down a lot of times until it doesn't work anymore. And then press F8. Then press Enter, then press Enter again. Then press the arrow down button and select the NTFS file system. Now it will format the drive. When the formatting is done, you can just click Enter, then click Enter again, and then wait for a moment. Now it's gonna copy files to the hard drive. After that is done, eject the CD and click Enter. Now it will reboot a couple of times. Now insert the CD and click OK. And if you get this pop-up, just click OK again. And there we go, we're in the setup. Now click Next. Then click Custom, so you can change some settings if you want to. Then give yourself a name. I'm just going to flip this tech. Then give the computer a name. I'm just going to do PC. Then type in your administrator password. I'm just going to do the most secure password that I have. Then click Next. And then click No, do not create an emergency repair disk. Now check games if you want to. Click Next and click Next. And click Do not connect the computer to network, because that will not work. I've tried it a lot of times, but that doesn't work. And now just wait. Now select your current time zone and click Close. And now it's going to test our graphics. So click Test and click OK. And then click Yes and OK, and then again OK. After that is done, eject the CD and click the restart button. After it restarted, we have to press these buttons. This one, and delete. And then type your super secure password and enter. And there we go, we are on the desktop. Now you can do anything you want. I'm just gonna open Pinball, because that's a really good game. And what about Minesweeper? Never mind. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, thanks for watching, and bye!